Hello and welcome back. Thanks for joining. Today let's talk about travel and what to pack in your personal item. And now what you can see here, I'm currently preparing for my trip that's coming up, and I will share with you what I pack in my personal item and will also reveal some hints that I think are very beneficial. It's proven. So I traveled for, I would say, around more than 200 trips. So hopefully some of these are also of value to you. So that's all what I put in my personal item. My personal item, that is this backpack that even sometimes I use for a day or two to travel. But for now, I will just use it as my personal item. So let's pack in the laptop first into the laptop compartment here. Here you go. You can close it. And then you still have 1, 2, and the one in here in front left that I can fill with some other stuff. So next one will be my USB stick, where I put all my documents as a copy and also a copy of my my passport. So just in case I'm losing my stuff, I still have it here. And in this backpack, there's even a little compartment for that one. Quite often you need a pen to fill something out. So I always have a pen also in my personal item. Next one is an adapter, because I will travel abroad. There are different outlets, so therefore I bring this adapter and also put this here, quite handy. If I need it, I have it immediately. Next one, very important, is a pair of socks, because especially in summer, when you're wearing sandals, you still at the security line need to take off your shoes, and I don't like it to walk where all the people walk barefoot. So therefore I put in my sock. I wear my socks quickly, or also on the plane if it's cool because of the air condition. I like to wear some socks. What else? The water bottle. So you can refill it at the airport, and also as a hint here, especially in hot destinations, you then in the morning you put in your water or your drink, put some ice cubes on top, and then during the day when it's hot, this drink is always cool and fresh. So I will put this also in here. Or I could even put this on one of the side bags. Even here I have one other item I want to show you. This is a hygiene hand gel. So just sometimes to clean up your hands, or if you use the bathroom or anything, I think it's always important to carry that. In addition, I will bring my sunglasses. I put also here where it can't get broken. So that's in here. My purse. I will also put somewhere where it can't get stolen. So I have this in here. What else do I have? I usually bring my documents, my visa or the reservations. So I still a bit old school in this and have this printed out. So I also have this here in my compartment. Very important, the passport. Keep this somewhere where you can get easy access to, especially like at the security line where you have to show it. So have this somewhere where you have easy access to. So I have this here in my second compartment to get this easy. And then usually I also bring my makeup and my other liquids. There's also a toothbrush and a toothpaste in there, because especially at a long haul flight, it's very nice to sometimes just brush your teeth. You feel so refreshed afterwards. So I will also put this in here. And then also the other advantage of not putting it into your carry-on is basically that you don't have to open your carry-on luggage, because you have everything in your personal item. And if you go through the security line, you don't have to open your suitcase. The next one is also another hint I want to reveal. And this is this light scarf. You can use it as a blanket at the beach. You can use it as a towel at the beach. And also you can use it as a blanket on the plane, because to the air condition, sometimes it's very cold. So I enjoy it just to put it around me, and it doesn't take much space. And even I can wear this as a scarf around my neck if I go through on the plane, if I can't put this in my luggage any longer. But here I still have enough space, so I will quickly also put this in. This is my air mask, my earplugs. So this is just to make sure that I get some sleep on the plane. So I put this also somewhere where it's handy and I can access this very quickly. What else do we have left here? Not much. That are just the cables for my phone. This is already having the new plug for the US, and some earplugs, especially on the plane when you want to watch TV. This also comes very handy, and I usually put this in a bag, so I have everything on hand. So I also put this in. And now another hint. This is a lunchbox. I have a little cereal bar in here, but I can also put a little sandwich. And you already have this in a box that you can reuse afterwards on your vacation. So instead of buying a lunch outside all the time, you can just make you a sandwich and then you have it while you are traveling. Also put in here. Now the last item is this pillow. And there are quite often debates on that. People say, well, you don't need it because afterwards you have to carry it all the time. It takes a lot of space. I have to admit, I like to have a pillow, especially on a long haul flight. So I put this here on my backpack, and now everything is ready. If you think this video was helpful for you, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for free. If you activate the bell, you will get notified when I upload more videos. And hopefully this will be helpful and enjoyable for your next trip. If so, and you have used some of those tricks, please write this down in the comment section below. And I wish you a great journey and talk soon. Bye.